Hello children, this is your art teacher Archana Mohipe. Today we are going to learn a hanging. Let's start. We need a strips, okay, whichever size you like you can cut. I had taken the scale size, okay, this is the scale size. So I had need 4 strips, one red strip, some quilling papers, needle and the thread to hang, scissors, pencil, stapler, glue. Chalo, let's start now. See, now take a glue, join this, whichever portion you want inside, from that portion we are going to start rolling. I'm taking the help of the pencil to roll it, so we will get nice rounds. So roll nicely. See, now relieve the thing, see this way, relieve nicely. How much big you want, you can add more strips also, it's up to you how much big you want. So you just have to relieve it. See, now after relieving you have to stick this, or you can just go with the stapler also. I'm using a stapler here. See, on the joint, on other side also. Now just pinching up like this, see, you will get a leaf shape. Can you see the leaf shape? Chalo. Now I will show you how to make the circle. So inside I'm putting little bit of dark color, not too much, only this much. I'm taking little bit of red color, okay. So stick together this, first the red one, stick it nicely, then your green one. I'm not going to use the full one, I'm going to use 3/4. I will just leave this much for the tail, okay. Now stick this also. We are going to make the head of the bird. See, now with the help of your roller, first I'm going to make this smaller, so I'm taking the help of my brush, a small brush, because this portion I want very small, okay. And I'm going to seal here with glue first only. See, I'm going to pack this with the glue and then roll it with your hand. Now fix with the glue or stapler, you can use anything. I'm showing both the way. First I had shown you with the stapler, now I'm showing with the glue. Joined it, okay. Here also you have to put little bit because you are not stapling together, so little bit glue inside also. Hold it for 2 minutes, let it dry, okay. Fix it nicely. Till that time, just same way we are going to make the head also. Now stick together this way. Where is the stapler portion, there only you are going to stick this way. I'm going to use again the stapler, okay. You can stick with the glue also. While doing this you can spoil the shape, so be careful with this. I'm putting a little bit glue also here, okay. Now I put in the glue, hold it for 2 minutes. Now take one more strip, fold into 2, okay. Fold little bit here also, small thing here, this way, okay. This way you will get, see, put a glue on this, on the strip, see, this way, and stick it on the, hold it for 2 minutes. Now how to find the center, just hold your pencil like this, see, this way. If it is falling, the center must be here. So with the help of your needle, I'm putting one knot here so it will not move, okay. I'm taking from down this way. For this you can take help of your parents, for just for this, not for other things, okay. Now with the quilling you are going to make a bits, okay, this way. See, this way you are going to make. It's very easy, just roll it. Take the help of your small thing. I want small, so I'm taking a small roller. only this much you can do it. Cut it. Okay, put up glue. This way you will get the bits. Okay, and then just put into the this this. Got it? Now you are going to stick the tail. Now just put a glue here. Put the glue. Press it. Then cut the strips. And your thing is ready. You can make this small, big, any size. Enjoy your craft. See you children, take care, and click your photo with your activity and send to me. Bye till then.